Hey Wealth Waveview fans! Are you ready to uncover why Ether, ETH, could see massive price swings soon? Stay tuned and don't miss out on this opportunity to ride the wave of crypto growth. Welcome back to Wealth Waveview. It's your host, John, here to break down the latest buzz in the crypto world and how you can capitalize on it. We've got some exciting news about ETH that could change the game. So, what's causing all this excitement around Ether, ETH? Well, there's a lot of talk about the potential approval of ETH spot exchange traded funds or ETFs. And guess what? The chances just jumped from 25% to an incredible 75%. Earlier this week, ETH saw an unbelievable rally, soaring 25% in just 2 days to climb above $3,900. That's its highest point since mid-March. Imagine having invested before that surge, you'd be looking at some pretty sweet gains. One major factor driving this rally is the perpetual futures market. Traders have been aggressively opening long positions on Ethereum, betting on higher prices. In just a few hours, total open interest in the futures market jumped to its highest since January 2023, from 2.8 million ETH to 3.2 million ETH, which is like a mind-blowing $11.7 billion. And here's what's fascinating, traders are favoring ETH over BTC right now. The Ethereum Bitcoin open interest ratio rose from 0.54 to 0.67. This means, out of their total open interests, 67% is in ETH compared to Bitcoin. That's a clear sign of where the smart money is going. Another key metric is the taker-buy-sell ratio. When buy orders are dominating sell orders, that's when the upward pressure on prices really kicks in. And recently, this ratio has been hovering above 1, which is awesome news for ETH holders. But that's not all. Permanent holders of ETH have been on a buying spree, accumulating over 100,000 ETH in just 24 hours. That's their highest daily level since September 2023. There's also growing confidence in staking ETH. After a brief dip, the amount of staked ETH has bounced back to 32.5 million. This shows that investors are in it for the long run and are betting big on Ethereum's future. And let's not overlook daily net flows into exchanges. They've risen to 62,000 ETH, the highest since early March. Most of these flows are heading to major exchanges like Binance and Bybit, which could result in significant price volatility. So why does all this matter to you? Well, high exchange flows usually mean one thing: potential price action. Investors are likely gearing up to sell and take profits if prices soar after the much-anticipated ETF approvals. Remember how those ETF approval odds jumped to 75%? Any positive news from the SEC could trigger another massive rally. So, whether you're already invested or thinking about it, now's the time to pay close attention. Just imagine, if you had $1,000 worth of ETH and the price surged 25%, you'd be looking at an extra $250 in your pocket. Not bad, right? The key takeaway here is to stay informed and be ready to act. Crypto markets move fast, and the early bird catches the worm. Think of the crypto market like a race. Knowing when to sprint and when to pace yourself can make all the difference. And right now, it looks like ETH could be taking the lead. Whether you're a long-term holder or a short-term trader, understanding these metrics can help you make better decisions and maximize your gains. It's all about strategy, folks. Picture yourself opening your portfolio and seeing that growth. It's possible, and it's within reach with the right information and timing. Demand for ETH is rising, and we've seen permanent holders and traders both showing strong confidence. This could be the start of something big for Ether. Let's take a quick look at some historical price movements. Remember, history often repeats itself in the crypto world. And if past performance is anything to go by, we could be in for some exciting times. To sum up, keep an eye on those ETF approvals, watch the futures market, and be alert to exchange flows. These indicators can provide valuable insights into where ETH is headed next. Thanks for tuning in to Wealth Waveview. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Keep riding the wave to success. Join our community for more insights and tips. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and join our Telegram group to stay connected. Wealth Wave You, helping you surf the waves of wealth.